Okay, today we're going to show you how to fix your Onn TV if it has no sound. We're going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. If you stay with us all the way to the end of the video and try each of these methods, there is a very high probability that this problem will be solved for you. Okay, the first thing to try here is really the simplest, and in most cases this one will actually work, so you might not even need to go on. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait the 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. Now this is a lot different than switching the remote on and off, so do it from the wall plug. If this fixed your TV, great. If not, I want you to press the home button on the remote, go to Settings, System Update, and then select Check Now. This will update your TV with the latest software. If this worked, great. If not, the last thing we're going to try here will almost definitely fix your problem, but this is a factory reset and will reset your TV to the way it was when you originally took it out of the box. So you will lose your apps and settings. Go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset, and then Factory Reset Everything. That's our video for today. As always, thank you very much for watching, and please remember to subscribe.